Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're about to talk about 5 things that make people not want to come back to you for services. And if you're practicing any of these things, I hope that this video will help you to pivot and make different choices so that you can build your clientele and that you can, keep the people coming back. So before we get into this video, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it by you just simply supporting the channel through subscribing. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button. Comment if you have any questions, anything. Drop them in the comment section. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I share new valuable information. So y'all, let's get to it. So one of the reasons that clients do not return after booking is because they don't get the service look that they have booked for. For example, if I book a hybrid set and I walk out with mega volume, I will never come back to you because I wanted hybrid and you gave me like the total extreme of volume. Please make sure that you are listening to your clients when they are asking for stuff. If you're not sure what your client wants in regard to style, curl, fullness, these are questions that you should be asking in your consultation with your clients. You should have a consultation with every single client every single time they come. Even if it's a returning client, I always ask my returning clients, hey, you want to change anything up with your lashes? The length okay? The fullness okay? They will let me know. Like, oh, it's perfectly fine. We keep it how it is. Can you make them just a little bit fuller? Can you make them just a little less fuller? And we roll from there. Make sure that you are giving people what they are paying for, or they're going to find somebody else to pay for what they want. All right. Number 2, we're going to roll right on into consultations and aftercare. Y'all, it's crazy how many new clients I get, and they tell me that their former lash artist or whoever they were trying to go to did not give them the consultation that they needed. They are surprised when I'm asking so many questions. I'm showing them different lengths. And I always ask my clients, let me know if you want short, medium, long. And from there, then if they say short, okay, I'm going to show them some 11s and some 12 millimeter lashes. And then if you want something longer than that or shorter than that, they'll let me know. And we find the perfect length for them. Down to lash curls. Everybody doesn't know what a C or a D curl is, but you need to know the difference so that you can show your clients and give them options. You need to talk to your clients about the length, the length that they want, how full they may want them, what kind of style they want. And a lot of times clients will be like, I don't know, I ain't never did this before, I don't know, just freestyle and do you. I love it when clients tell me to just freestyle because we can just, let our creativity do whatever it's going to do. But I also love it when my clients know, okay, this is the length I like and I want a doll eye, or I want a cat eye, or I want an open eye look. I want a wispy, spiky look, whatever. I love when clients know what they want, and I also love when clients let me freestyle, but you can't freestyle on every client. And it's super important to get all of the information that you can possibly get before you start working on your clients so that they know what they're expecting and so that you know what you're expecting to do and everybody on the same page and it's cool after the service is over. So many people tell me that when they are reaching out to lash artists on Instagram or whatever platform, y'all don't be wanting to answer these people questions. This is your job, and it doesn't matter how many times you have to say the same thing over and over and over and over. You signed up for that. It's a part of your job. Answer people's questions. Be polite. Be kind. And get the money, okay? Give them the service and the experience that they deserve. And it all starts with the consultation. Okay, so in loop with consultation, aftercare. So many lash artists are not preparing their clients to protect their investments when they get their lashes done. Eyelash extensions are an investment. They change your life. They give you value. Well, they don't give you value, but they have value. They save you time. You look good on the go. You don't have to put on a full face of makeup. You need to be helping people protect the asset that they have paid for. Lashes are not cheap, or they shouldn't be cheap. But I got distracted. Lashes are not cheap and they need to be able to take care of them. Give your clients aftercare kits. I do not charge for aftercare kits unless they're a returning client. So every client, I don't work over other lash artists' work. So if I get a new client, either they're getting a free removal in a full set or a full set. And with every full set, I give a lash bath kit. After that, like for returning clients, if you just ran out of your lash shampoo, they're $10. But give that to people so that they know that you care, first of all, that this is luxury, second of all, and thirdly, that they can take care of the lashes. And also walk them through how to clean their lashes. Tell them the process. Pump the shampoo, brush the lashes, brush your lash line. Rinse the shampoo out, dry it with a little fan or a blow dryer on a cool setting, because they're going to melt them lashes if they don't. Blow them with a blow dryer on a cool setting. Brush them out and keep going on about your day. Tell them how often they should be cleaning their lashes. You have to give them valuable information for them to return, for them to understand, oh, I should wear this more than I go get the $3.99 pack of lash strips. Okay, so consultations and aftercare are super important, and that is the second reason why people do not return for lash services. I gotta open this phone back up. Y'all know I got a list. I keep a list, okay? All right, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is retention. Of course, we all know retention is a thing, but people want their lashes to last. I have had an amazing artist do my lashes, and I love the lashes so much. I kept going back, but I kept hoping for something different. And finally, I just had to say, I can't go back to this lash artist because my lashes are not lasting. There's no way that the same day I got 60 million lashes falling out. And then when I wake up in the morning, I got another 67 million that done laid on the pillow with ace retention. It's not always the glue. Don't buy another glue, another brand of glue. Don't open another bottle. Make sure you are doing correct placement. Make sure you are using enough adhesive. Make sure nothing is sticking together. Make sure that you are properly isolating, and make sure that you are paying attention and considering lash anatomy when you are doing your lashes. Lash anatomy plays a part in retention. Telogens are about to fall out, so why would you lash all the telogens? When they come back, they not gonna have nothing if they come back. But they don't know, all the adult lashes just fell out. Lash the catagens and the androgens that are strong enough. You need to ace retention if you want people to come back. People are not going to keep paying you for lashes that don't last. That was number 3. Tip number 4. Poor customer service. Or not tip number 4, reason number 4. Poor customer service. If you, again, going back to not wanting to answer people's questions when they DM you. Now, I always send people to my website when they ask for questions about pricing or availability. I pay for that website. It's up there for your convenience. You can go look at what's available. You can, decide what you want to spend, and you can go ahead and book it. If you have questions about literally anything else, I'm going to answer those questions right there in the DM. And I'm super kind about it. First of all, I'm just a kind person, period. But also, customer service. This is somebody who wants to invest in my business, who wants me to be their service provider. Why would I be rude to you? Why would I be short in my responses to you? Why would I not communicate with you if I'm running late on an appointment ahead of yours, or not communicate with you about anything at all? Like, make sure that you are giving top tier, the absolute best. They ain't never had nobody treat them like this customer service. It is super important, and it goes the longest way, okay? So that is reason number 4 why people don't return. Poor customer service. I'll stop coming and not give another dollar to your whole franchise because you were rude or the customer service experience was bad. So make sure, y'all, that you are following up with your clients, that you're reaching out to them, checking up on them, and that you're available when they're contacting you. This is why y'all got to get out them DMs too. Make sure that you have a booking site so that they have access to your email address and your phone number. That's a quick... I will respond to a text faster than I can a DM. My notifications are off on Instagram. So it's probably later on in the day and you done booked for somebody else that I done saw this direct message. Make sure that people have access to you. Customer service is super important. And my last tip, or my last reason why clients do not return, y'all, is an uncomfortable environment. Now, I lash from home, and my clients have a better experience here than they did when I was working in a spa because it's quiet. They're able to sleep. Nobody's walking in talking and breaking their sleep or making them feel uncomfortable because they were just in a state of rest. And, now it's another voice in here. The room smells amazing. The room is clean. The bathroom is clean. The sheets are clean. The towel is clean. The music, I do not play regular everyday music. Now I used to, but I stopped doing that. Because they hear that every day, all day. And there's nothing relaxing about that. I play spa music on Pandora. I don't want her to start talking, but Alexa. I literally tell her to play spa music on Pandora, and that's just what be rolling. It's soothing, it's calming, they don't hear it every day, and it's just super relaxing. Make sure that your environment is clean, it feels safe, it smells good, and it looks decent, okay? People don't want to come into nothing where there's trash or loud music. I had an experience once getting my lashes done in a salon suite, and you got other artists walking in asking the artist that's working on me, do they want a drink? Do they want a margarita while they doing my lashes? No, don't do that kind of stuff with your clients. If that's the environment you're in, just ask them not to bring that to you while you're lashing. I've had experiences where a lash artist lashes in a recliner. Okay, you're lashing in a recliner. I'm laid back. Your boobs are literally rubbing up against my head the whole time. The regular music is playing. If I wanted to fall asleep, I couldn't because you randomly singing the song. Y'all, make sure that your environment is top tier. Make sure that your environment is worth what you want people to pay you for your services. Make sure your environment is worth somebody coming to. If you wouldn't want to be in there, then you should not have your environment set up in such a way. So y'all, I hope that these 5 reasons why people don't return, why clients don't return was helpful. If y'all have any questions, drop them in the comments. If y'all have any feedback, drop them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on your bell notification button. And y'all, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.